Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Today in this video we are going to discuss a topic, what is programming language, in a very simple way. Let's try to understand with an example. Suppose we having two friends, one is Ram and another is Shyam. One day Ram asked to Shyam, what is 2 plus 2? Then Shyam replied, it is 4. So here we can say that 2 plus 2, that is input, and the 4 outcomes, that is output. Let's understand. Here Ram is a programmer whereas Shyam is a computer. But there was one difference between Ram and Shyam. They were knowing the English language, but programmer and the computer, they don't know the English language. Here programmer knows lots of language like Hindi, English and so on. But computer knows only binary language. So here we have to code in binary language, or computer have to learn English language. So let's focus on binary language. Binary language is a low level programming language that only machine can understand. We can say that collection of 0, 1, 1, 0. When we will convert this binary language 0, 1, 1, 0, then it will become 6. So in this way it is very difficult to understand, because it is not possible to convert the binary language into a simple English language. To solve this problem, we have to learn a programming language. So before that, let's try to understand what is programming language. Programming language. A programming language is a computer language that is used by programmer or developer to communicate with computers. It is a set of instructions written in any specific language like C, C++, Java, Python to perform a specific task. Now let's try to understand the difference between English language and programming language. To know the English language, we have to learn the rules and regulation, that is grammar. And in the programming language, to know the coding, we have to learn syntax. So in the beginning of English language, we have to study alphabet, and in the programming language we have to study data. That means it is collection of letter, digit, symbol or special character. Next we have to study word, that is collection of alphabet. And here in the programming language we have to study constant, variable and keyword, that is combination of data. Next in the English language we have to study sentence, that is group of word. And in the programming language we have to study instructions, that is combination of constant, variable and keyword. Next in the English language we have to study paragraph, that is the combination of sentence. And in the programming language we have to study program, that are group of instructions. Next in the English language we have to study essay, that is group of paragraph. And in the programming language we have to study software, that are collection of program. And in the English language we have to study book, that is collection of essay or letter. And in the programming language at the last we have to study package, and Java is one of the example of package. So in this way we can learn the programming language in a sequence way, step by step. First we have to study data, then constant, variable, keyword, then instructions, then program, software and finally the package. I hope you have understood the concept of programming language. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.